Just sitting here this morning, looking at the trees. I love the trees. Looking at my baby. Hey, Blue. Hey, Blue. Hey, Blue. What you doing? Bluey. Where's your daddy? You watching for your daddy to come home? He went next door. He went over there. There's a pretty tree. Well, both of them. I love the evergreen and I love the oak. Very high. And I'm under trees. My plant from Rick. I found a rose today. There's my plants from Jennifer. And just turning around on the porch. These chairs, I have to tell you, I bought them at Heilig Myers, but it's no longer in business. But I bought those 26 years ago. They are so comfortable. This one right here, I'm going to sit in it and show you. It's a rocker. It just got cleaned up. It had green on it, but it's sat outside for 25 years. It's plastic. Very sturdy. See? And I'll show you. And I'm just going to sit out and rock. And rock. I've seen them other places. I've seen them even at grocery stores. They're a little bit lighter weight. This is a little bit heavier, but it's still not very heavy. I can carry it around. But these are a little bit bigger. But anyway, well worth the money. I think I might have paid $59 for each one. But I love it. Look at that. It's a beautiful porch chair. And then, of course, I got those. Those were around our pool. We had 6 of those, I think. And I've got reclining chairs and everything. But this is what I want on the porch. Look at this boy. He's going to take a little nap up there. All the places he can sleep. Bluey. He looks at me, but he's kind of irritated because he's got a boo-boo and I put medicine on it. Anyway, I guess that's all for now. I just wanted you to see my rose. We planted some roses about 25 years ago when we first moved here. And there's only one right now. There were several of them the other day, but they died. You know, roses don't last long. They're beautiful, but give me a daisy any day. Daisies last longer. I shouldn't be walking through here without something to help me, but this rose bush, not a whole lot left from it because there's a lot of other bushes in here, but my husband grew that one for me and it's just beautiful and it has a good smell. There's my holly up there. And you know, this is a double wide, but it's a Palm Harbor. And except for needing a little bit of a cleaning, it's got a new roof. We've lived in it. It was a model home, and I know they've really improved them now. They've got triple wides. We'll put a little sidewalk around. But I love that as much as I loved my 2-story homes on the lake or in the city or wherever I lived. Everything inside is mine. And see, that's my nice driveway. We're just very happy. We haven't had a house payment since 2003. We bought it in 1998. This did have a whole lot more trees. We realized it had too many trees. I need to put some, I think I had some azaleas in there before. I need to put some more back in. We've got a little fountain. We've never really hooked it up, but it fills with water, and all the neighborhood dogs drink the water when after rains. But anyway, such is life in Alabama. I'll show you my driveway. Got a nice driveway. The only thing I really want to have is a garage or a carport, but we've seen several people and they say we cannot have a carport because the driveway's uneven. Well, you know, the driveway's uneven because the land's uneven. I don't know why they couldn't make one side longer than the other, but I guess they're just too lazy. They just don't really care. There's my minivan. It's a 2017 and it has 24,000 miles on it. And there's our fenced-in yard. Fenced it in for a pool, but I'm from Detroit and I kind of like fenced-in yards anyway. I feel safer. And there's some knockout roses. I need to put some more roses in. Those are weeds down in the front. I guess that's our next project since we got all our porches done. And here's our porch and the padding that he did. The steps my grandson did, but it's got all new screening. And there's the sidewalk that used to go to the pool. Anyway, that's it.